Welcome my dear student in digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are in chapter number 3rd, that is quadrilaterals, understanding of quadrilaterals. So in this series today I am going to take up a topic that is parallelogram, and today we will solve some questions related to parallelogram. But before solving question, let me tell you what is a parallelogram. So parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel to each other and their diagonal bisect each other. So let's see now what are the property of a parallelogram. Here I am writing ABCD is a parallelogram, then AB is equals to DC and AD is equals to BC. So in this case you can say opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Second observation, O to B, this is OB length and OD length. O to C and that is OAOC. They are equal. So diagonals bisect each other means they two parts of diagonal are equal to one another. These two property today we are going to utilize. So let's take your question number 8 of exercise 3.3, that is following figures like GUNS and RUNS. These two are parallelograms, and here we are going to find out what is the value of x and y in both cases. So let's take the first case. This is the first parallelogram. It is given here. The length of G to U is 3y minus 1, U to N is 16 and S to N is 26 and G to S is 3x. So here we are going to utilize some properties of parallelogram, and by using property we will find the answer. So let's start. How to start? You can write here. From parallelogram, the name of parallelogram is GUNS. What we can write from the parallelogram? We can write G to U, first length, that is equals to SN. G to U is equals to SN. Why? Region you can write here, that is opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. This is the region required here. So let's see what is the value here. GU is 3, y minus 1 is equals to 26. Sure. Next step, as usual we are solving this minus 1. I am going to shift to this side, so it becomes 3y is equals to 27, which implies y is equals to 27 upon 3. Because 3 is in multiplication, definitely it will go to division. Now if it is cancelable, you can cancel here. 3 1 ja 3, 3 9 ja 27. So this implies y is equals to 9. Similarly, as we are able to find out the value of y, similarly we can apply the definition. Similarly we can write SG, that is your is equals to UN. So these are also opposite side of region similar. Once again here also. So this implies we can write 3x is equals to 16. From here 3x is equals to 16. So by solving you will get x is equals to 16 upon 3. In this way you can solve, my dear students, such questions where we are finding values by using properties of parallelogram. Here we use first property, opposite side of a parallelogram are equal. So let's take a second part. So this one is okay. Now let's see second one. So we have here second part. In this part we have given diagonal. So once again you can write second part solution. You can write from figure, you can say figure, that is RUN and S. This is the name of figure. So from here what we can write? What is given to us? We can write like first RO, this piece. RO is equals to ON. Which property I am talking about? I am talking about the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. That means x plus y must be equals to 16. And second thing we can write from the same diagram, that is UO must be equals to SO. So here we can write y plus 7 must be equals to 20. From this part you can calculate easily y is equals to 20 minus 7. So you will get y is equals to 13. Now substitute this value here. So you will get x is equals to 13 plus, then find x from here. You will get 16 minus 13 and your x value become 3. See my dear student, both questions are very easy, and here it is very important to understand how to utilize the property. I have written this part as well as this part. From your understanding it is clear, we can calculate y from here. Calculate y, then substitute here y value, this 13, and subtract, you will get x also. Hope so it is clear to you how to utilize the property of parallelogram. Thank you.